Today I'm getting my first hands-on with the new MSI Claw 8 AI Plus gaming handheld PC. This is MSI's chance to redeem themselves after the less than stellar release of the original Claw 7.
The buttons sometimes don't work, sometimes the touch interface doesn't work.
So the question is, does the Claw fix enough of those issues to be more competitive and a great choice for gamers this year? MSI and Intel are making some big promises, so let's dive into everything that's new and exciting. Let's start things off with the design. We have an overall very similar profile that we first saw with the Claw 7, but in a larger package. We've got an ergonomic build here with some nice upgrades. It's rocking a larger 8-inch 1920 by 1200 16 by 10 touchscreen display with 120 Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of brightness. The D-pad is more concave now, giving off very strong Xbox controller vibes, and the joysticks have been upgraded to Hall effect sensors. And even the left and right bumpers feel more satisfying to click and can be triggered more easily. And that's thanks to the new top actuated switch, which MSI calls tactile edge pressing. At 795 grams, it is about 100 grams heavier than the Claw 7, which is to be expected because of its larger 8-inch display, as well as its new 80-watt battery. Now that said, I have been holding and gaming on this for a while, and I haven't noticed that extra weight, but maybe with extra time and longer gaming sessions, it'd be something I'd be a little bit more concerned with. Moving under the hood, we find the new Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, Series 2, paired with an Intel Arc 140V GPU, 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory, and a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. So this is doubling the original Claw 7's 16 gigabytes of RAM and 500 gigabytes of base storage. As for other upgrades, the Claw 8 AI Plus is also packing newer Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth LE audio, plus improved speakers which are louder and more clear. And let's be real, while those are great new features to have, they're probably not the biggest deciding factors when choosing your next handheld. Another big improvement, which will probably get overlooked by a lot of gamers, is MSI's new M Center software. MSI now offers quick access to key device settings like switching performance modes, viewing your FPS, changing your brightness and volume levels, quickly turning your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on or off, and a lot more. And because of that, I found that it makes navigating and customizing the device settings, especially mid-game, a lot more seamless. Moving on to performance, MSI is claiming that the Claw 8 AI Plus delivers up to 20% better performance than the ASUS ROG Ally X when both are set to 17 watts. What's interesting though is that the Claw 8 AI Plus also supports a 30-watt power mode, however we don't have any benchmarks for it, so stay tuned and subscribe to see our full test results. As these are handhelds, another big consideration is going to be battery life. Now rocking the same 80 watt-hour battery, which is found on the Ally X, MSI is still claiming that the Claw 8 AI Plus can get up to 44% better battery life. What about pricing and availability? The Claw 8 AI Plus starts at $899 and is available currently in the one sandstone color. It kind of reminds me of a tank just because of its build quality and that color scheme. Some people may dig it. Some people may prefer, the black or all white that we've seen on other handhelds, whether it's the Ally X, the original Ally, or other options like that. Though, and this is just my opinion, I think it was a missed opportunity that they didn't add a little bit of red either on the Claw logo on the top here or on the back of the device. But what do you think about its higher starting price and its new color option? Is that enough to sway you one way or the other? Let me know in the comments. Pre-orders are available now and shipping starts in late December. I'm really excited to get the full review unit in hand so we can give you more of those pros and cons. So stay subscribed and follow us everywhere on social so you know when that video drops. Until the next one, I'll catch you later.